We at Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment are proud to offer homeowners in Los Gatos, CA, 95,060 thorough and dependable water heater diagnostics. We can assist you if you're having problems with your water heater, such as leaks, odd noises, or changing water temps. Are you looking for water heater diagnostics near me? You can stop looking. You found Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment. What is water heater diagnostics? Water heater diagnostics is the process of identifying and assessing issues within a water heater to find the root cause and recommend the best solutions. Our expert team at Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment in Los Gatos specializes in thorough diagnostics, ensuring your water heater functions efficiently and safely. What is the purpose of water heater diagnostics? The purpose of water heater diagnostics is to accurately identify and resolve problems that may be affecting your water heater's performance, ensuring it operates smoothly and safely. At Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment in Los Gatos, California 95060, we offer this service to address issues like fluctuating water temperatures, unusual sounds, leaks, or reduced efficiency. Where is your service area? The communities of Santa Cruz, Soquel, Capitola, Scotts Valley, Aptos, Watsonville, Los Gatos, Saratoga, Campbell, Morgan Hill, Marina, Cupertino, Pacific Grove, Gilroy, and San Jose are among the California towns that Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment is happy to serve. Where is your Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment located? We are located at 303 Potrero St. Suite 198, Santa Cruz, CA 95060, United States. Our phone number is 831-999-2029. Visit our website, https://santacruzplumbingrepair.com/Santa Cruz Plumbing Draining Water Heater Repair/